In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional PowerPoint presentation using Claude in just a few minutes. To get started, open the Claude website. For this tutorial, I'm using the free version of Claude, so you don't need a paid subscription to follow along. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a prompt box where you can describe the presentation you want Claude to create. The more clearly you explain your requirements, the better the final presentation will be. For this example, I want to create a presentation on the benefits of morning walk in the morning. I'll start by entering this prompt. Create a 10-slide PowerPoint presentation on the topic 10-minute morning exercise. This simple prompt is enough for Claude to generate a presentation. However, if you want higher quality results with a better structure, it's a good idea to provide more detailed instructions. So, let's improve the prompt by specifying exactly what should be included in each slide. We'll ask Claude to create. Title slide: What is a 10-minute morning exercise routine? Benefits of morning exercise: warm-up exercises, 2 minutes, cardio exercises, 3 minutes, strength exercises, 3 minutes, cool-down and stretching, 2 minutes, tips for building a consistent morning exercise habit, common mistakes to avoid, summary and key takeaways. We'll also include a few formatting instructions. We'll ask Claude to use simple language, organize the content with bullet points, and suggest one relevant image for each slide. These extra details help produce a presentation that's ready to edit and present with minimal effort. Now that the prompt is complete, click the Generate button. Claude immediately begins creating the presentation. Depending on the length and complexity of your request, this usually takes only a few seconds. Once the presentation is ready, click Preview to review the slides. This lets you quickly check the layout, content, and overall design before downloading the file. Notice that Claude has also left dedicated space for images on each slide. Along with that, it provides a short recommendation describing the type of image that would best match the slide's content. This makes it much easier to create a professional-looking presentation without spending extra time deciding what visuals to use. For this, you can simply open Google Chrome and search for the relevant image, or you can ask Chat to generate image for every slide. If everything looks good, click Download to save the PowerPoint presentation to your computer. Now let's open the downloaded file. As you can see, Claude has created all the 10 slides exactly as requested. Each slide is well organized, uses clear bullet points, and follows the structure we provided in the prompt. We will select Slide Show to have a full look on the presentation. You can see I have added image for every slide. One of the biggest advantages of using Claude is that you can easily modify the presentation by simply giving another prompt. For example, let's change the overall design by typing. Change the presentation's design to a clean light green color theme. After submitting the request, Claude updates the presentation while preserving all of the existing content and formatting. Once the changes are complete, click Download again to save the updated version. Let's open the new file. As you can see, Claude has successfully applied a clean green color theme across the entire presentation, giving it a more polished and professional appearance. In the same way, you can ask Claude to change fonts, colors, layouts, icons, images, or even add and remove slides. Instead of editing everything manually in PowerPoint, you can simply describe the changes you want, and Claude will update the presentation for you, saving you a significant amount of time and effort.